This video is brought to you by my good friends at WorldPoint. They are my go-to place to source any and all of your training equipment and AHA curriculum needs. They literally carry everything that you need and vet it all to make sure that they're selling only high quality products. On top of that, their customer service is fantastic, and they provide same-day free shipping with no minimum purchase amounts. I highly encourage you to check them out and partner with them for your future training needs. Hey guys, Andrew with CPR Instructor Affiliates, powered by Prime Medical Training. We're a national AHA training center, and today we're taking a look at the Prestan Take2 package. So we are really big fans of Prestan here at Prime. It's the only manikin we choose to use because of its high quality, its innovation, and the price point can't be beat. Now, I've done reviews on all of their individual products, and you can check those out. But today, specifically, I wanted to look at this particular configuration. So mannequins that they sell come in either single kit, so you'll have like a individual infant, individual adult. Then you also have 4 packs of adults, 4 packs of infants, and then they have what they call the family pack. And the family pack was 2 infants, 2 adults, and a child. The problem was, obviously when you buy them in bulk and you don't just buy one at a time, that you save a little bit of money. The problem was that the child mannequin is not commonly used in this industry, and so while it's good to have a couple on hand, and we do here, we just don't use them and need them as much as we do the adults and infants. And so you couldn't get this family pack without the child until the Take2 came out. And so this was huge, in my opinion, and a really strong move for Prestan, because it met the demands of people like myself, and I'm sure countless others, who wanted to be able to buy a pack, you know, when you're ready to upgrade. And you don't usually need to buy an extra adult. I usually have to end up buying an adult, infant, AED, mask, bag mask, all that. I kind of bundle it so it's like a package. So whenever I'm adding, I don't just add a mannequin, I'm gonna add all the things that go along with it. So this was like really exciting. This bag is really roomy. It has a lot of space in it. One of the notable things is you can lay your adult mannequins in here and they all fit, which is great because on the adult 4 packs, because on the adult 4 packs, you usually have to take the heads off and lay them down in order for you to be able to completely close up the bag and zip it. Whereas with this, there's enough room that I don't have to break it down, which saves me time. And so I've got the 2 adults here. I have the 2 infants, and it also comes with Prestan's AED Ultra trainers. So you've got their professional series adults, professional series infants, and 2 Ultra trainers. This is a great value, honestly. And they come in different colors, so you can either get the medium tone, which is what I have here, or you can get their diversity kit in the Take2. And so the diversity kit, pull this up, comes with 1 medium tone adult, 1 dark tone adult, 1 medium tone infant, and then a dark tone infant. And so you have that option of what you want to purchase. And I have, like I said, I've reviewed all of these products in depth in other videos, so I encourage you to check them out if you want to see more how they work. But I will say that they all come AHA compliant, meaning that they have both visual and audible feedback on the quality of your students' compressions. So there's a piston that will give the clicking sound and allow you to know that they're achieving the proper depth of at least 2 inches. And then you also have the lights in the shoulders that will go on when they have when they're doing the proper rate. And so if you're going too slow, you'll get a 1 green light or a yellow light depending on how slow you're going. if you're going fast enough and it's in that sweet spot of 100 to 120 beats per minute, you're going to get 2 solid green lights. And then if you go too fast, then it's going to be the 2 solid green lights, and then it'll be a blinking yellow light in the center. Just really great stuff. It's this package here, I think, really is aiding the resuscitation industry in helping us make cost-effective decisions as we grow, and that's on top of the already phenomenal innovation, quality, and foresight that Prestan has put into their equipment, and it's helping with saving lives. So I hope this review was helpful. Again, this is Andrew with CPR Instructor Affiliates, powered by Prime Medical Training. I hope that review was helpful for you. You can find a discount code in the description below for WorldPoint that you can use on any and all of their products. If you liked this video and it was helpful to you, don't forget to also subscribe and hit that like button. And if you have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will answer those for you. Thanks so much.